Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 19, that is remove nth node from end of list. And in this we'll be given the head of a linked list and we have to remove the nth node from the end of the list and we have to return its head. Like for example, if we are given n equal to 2, so we have to remove the second last node, that is 4. So the resulting tree, the resulting linked list would be 1, 2, 3 and then 5. Okay, so for this what we'll be doing is we'll be using two pointers, slow and fast, and what we'll be basically doing is we'll be initially moving fast pointer n steps ahead, so that when we'll be and after that what we'll be doing, we'll be moving the fast pointer and slow pointer simultaneously one step till the fast pointer reaches the nth the null node. And then what we'll be doing, we'll be just connecting the sloth pointer next to the next of the sloth, like where the sloth pointer will be pointing, that particular node's next pointer towards the next node's next pointer. Okay, so automatically we'll be skipping the nth node. Okay, so let's have the two pointers that are slow and fast, that will be equal to head. Okay, and now what we'll do, that for I in range n, we'll be moving the fast pointer n points ahead. That fast will be equal to fast dot next. And then what we'll be doing with that file fast exists, we have to move fast equal to fast dot next and slow equal to slow dot next. Okay, and yeah, let's just do this. And then what we'll be doing, we'll be just moving slow dot next will be equal to slow dot next and just this, and then we'll be returning the head. And let's run it. Okay, none type has no attribute. Okay, so I guess we need to handle some of the edge cases also. Let me just, okay, so yeah, I guess here we'll be needing it to move it from n plus 1, and here let's just add one more condition, that if not fast, then what we're doing, will be just returning the head dot next. And now let's run it once again. Yeah, and it is accepted now. Okay, now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.